In this chapter of the lesson 2, we are going to give a introductions of the lesson 2. And in the lesson 1, if you remember, we already has the function that can create zombies by using the name. And in lesson 2, we are going to create a zombie by feeding the zombies. So the new zombies DNA will be calculated from the zombies DNA and also the host DNA. So for example, if the zombie eats or bites the human, it will turn to another zombie, and the DNA is from the host, this host DNA and also the zombie DNA. So you can see if we click on this guy, and you can see this has the new zombie, and which is generated from the no names DNA, and which is the zombie DNA and also the human's DNA. And you can see different people has different combinations. So for example, if we click on this one, and you can see the appearance is different. And if we click on the last one, you can also see the appearance is also different, and it also has another DNA, and the appearance is determined by this DNA. So we can go to next chapter to start our lessons.